Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn how to cut 360-degree flare, high-low flare. You understand? So high-low flare, there are some flares. You look at the front is higher than the back, or the back is lower than the front, or some are side, maybe one side is higher or one side is lower. So it's a high-low 360-degree flare. So that is the tutorial for today. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, so as you can see here, this is the fabric I'll be working on. I've already folded my fabric the normal way we used to fold our 360 degree. You fold into four. You fold the first folding, then you fold again. Okay, so in my previous videos I've emphasized on how you get the amount of fabric you'll be working on, and how to fold it. So this is it. I've folded it. This is the amount of fabric I'll be working, so I'll put it on fold. Okay, now, so and the formula for this, the radius, you are going to divide your waist circumference by 6.28. That is the formula for cutting a 360-degree flare. Okay, so 6.28. So now, after doing that, so the radius I got is 5 inches. So that is what I'll be working on, 5 inches for the radius. And the total length I have, so the length I have for this particular flare is 15 inches. Okay, so when you add 15 inches plus 5 inches for the radius, that will give you 20 inches. So here, what I have on fold here is, you can see, is 20 inches. So I folded, you can fold 20 or maybe 20.5 to be able to cover up. You fold. So now I've gotten my 20 inches. So the next thing I'll do right now is to go ahead and input my radius. Okay, so I'm using 5 inches radius. So from here, from this folded part here, I will mark out my radius. Okay, so I will go ahead and mark out my radius all round. Okay, 5 inches all round. So you divide your waist, or whichever circumference where you are attaching it, the knee, the sleeve, the arm, any circumference, divide it by 6.28. So for you to get the radius to be working on. So here, as you can see, I don't know if this chalk is clear enough. I've marked my radius this way. So I have 5 inches radius. So from this part, from this folded part, so let me stand here. I don't know if I'm blocking the view. So now from this folded part, you mark out your radius. Okay, whatever you got for your radius, you mark it all around. So after that, you go ahead. Remember I said the total length, the length I am working on is 15 inches. So here I will measure my 15 inches. Okay, you can decide to mark it 15 inches, you measure from the radius all round, or you can decide to start here. Remember the total length is 15 plus the radius, 5 inches for the radius, which is 20 inches. So here now, I'll go ahead and mark out my 20 inches. So whichever way you want. So as you can see, I'm marking 20 inches all round. So here, that is the length plus my radius. 15 inches for the length I want, and 5 inches radius, all together making 20 inches. So now I'm marking it all round. From this folded end, I'll go ahead and mark it all round. So this is also, and this is how we'll cut our this thing, 360-degree flare. So in case you don't know, so this is just a way to mark your 360-degree flare. So I'm marking 20 inches all round. My length plus my radius, that is 20 inches. So after marking it all round, remember we are cutting a high-low 360-degree flare, a high-low. Okay, so now this is what I have. I'm done marking it. So as you can see, I'm done marking it all round. So the next thing I'll do right now is to go ahead and cut it out, so that we'll be able to get our high low. So now I will cut it out. Okay, I've cut the radius. So the next thing is to go ahead and cut out the length. Right? Okay, now I'm done cutting it out, so I will set this one aside. All right, so that I'll be able to see clear what we are doing. So after setting it aside, now you can see what I have. So here I will use one of this as the front and one of this as the back. Okay, so now, so that means here is our side C. So here will be the side. So I'll go ahead and open it up. I'll open it up like this. So I've opened it up like this. Okay, so guys, now I've opened it up. So the next thing I will do right now is to determine how high I want the front to be, how many inches high I want the front to be. Okay, so now what I will do right now, so I'll first of all get the mid. This is the side here. I've opened it up, so this part will serve as either the front, okay, and or here to be the back. So let me use here as the back. Okay, so you go ahead and label here B, which is the back, so that you will not get confused. So while here you label it F for the front. Okay, so after that now, so you can see here is the midpoint, this place is the side, this is for the side, this is the side. Okay, so I've ruled it so that I will know here is the side, and I'm using a blue chalk, and it's like the whole thing is blue. I don't know if you guys can see it well. So my white chalk, I don't know, so let me see. So here is the side. I've marked here to be the side. Okay, I'll be using this white chalk now. So here now, I want here to be the front. Okay, so the next thing I will do, I want my back, I want this back to be 5 inches and lower. So which means here from this down part I will deduct. So let me bring it closer so that you guys can see. Here now I'll go ahead from here, I will deduct 5 inches. So I'll go ahead and mark 5 inches here. So this is my 5 inches. So I want the back to be 5 inches lower than the front. Okay, so now I'll go ahead. So as I've marked this 5 inches, you can go ahead and make a curve. You make a curve. Remember here is the side. Okay, so you're going to make a curve. You can decide. So let me see if I can use this to make a curve now. I'll go ahead and connect it. I'll connect it to this side. Okay, I'll make a curve and connect to this side. So I'm trying to use this hip curve to make a curve. So make the curve. You can see the way I'm connecting it here. So when you get to this side now, you can decide to blend it in. Okay, so from here, from this back now, from this back, I will still blend it in because I don't want it to have a sharp edge. I don't want to connect and here will be sharp. Okay, so you still blend it in. So from here you can go ahead and blend it in. You see, so this is the curve I have. The important thing is to stop here at this 5 inches. So now, so this is what I have here, the high low. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. So this is it. You go ahead and so here will guide you. This is the side, the shaping side, the side part of this way, but you can still blend it in. You can even blend it in, like you can go ahead. If you want the back to be that pointed, you can still come in a bit. Okay, so but here I'll be stopping here. So I'll just blend it from here in, then I will connect. So I'll reduce it. So this is our high and low. The next thing now is I'll go ahead and cut it out. So I'll go ahead and cut it from here. So you have to determine how many inches you want. So as you can see now, I'm done cutting it. I've blended it in. Okay, so this is the front and this is the back. Okay, as you can see, so you blend it in from that side so it won't give you that sharp edge. So you blend it in. So this is what we have. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Remember, here is the side. This is the side. So you hold it from this side. I'm going to open it up for us to see how it looks like. So this is it. You can see this is the high low we have here. So this, you can see the back. This back is longer than the front. So this is the front part and this is the back. Okay, so this is how it looks like, high low. This is it. So this is the side. So this is it, guys. So guys, okay, as you can see now, I'm done cutting and I've opened it up. So this is what I have here. Okay, so this is it. This is the high low, as you can see. So this is the back. The back is lower than the front. This is the front part. I don't know this fabric if it's visible enough. So this is what we'll have here. Okay, so that is it for this tutorial. So this is how to cut a high low flare. So this is the front and this is the back. You can determine how low you want it to be or how high you want the front to be. So depending on your choice and the design you're working on. So this is what I have here. Okay guys, thank you for joining me on this tutorial. So please, if this is your first time of coming into my channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. All right, thank you so much guys for joining me. Bye.